Hello YouTube, this is Ruben Obed. I'm here gonna do a review of a little camcorder that I got at Radio Shack for $41. It's the DXG 5B6V camcorder. It's a HD camcorder, records at 720p, and runs on four AAA batteries. $41, okay? We did a film called Destino with this little bad boy. The following footage that you're gonna see is film shot with this little camera and edited on a free program called VideoPad Video Editor, which we also edited the film Destino on. Just goes to show you, you don't need much to be creative. I recommend the DXG 5B6V camcorder. It's available at Radio Shack for $41 on sale. And VideoPad Video Editor from NCH Software. It's free. Enjoy, be creative. Ruben Obed.